हाँ, एक और वीडियो बनाना है। अबे यार,
Alright, before watching this video, we would recommend that you check out the other Save the Internet videos just for context. Links to both in the description.
Unless you've been living under a rock, you must have seen Free Basics ads all over newspapers, hoardings, in your Facebook notifications. So what is Free Basics? Remember internet.org, that thing that was violating net neutrality in the first couple of videos? Yeah, it's that. It's come back as Free Basics.
देखो, किसी चीज का नाम बदलने से ना उसकी असलियत नहीं बदल जाती। अगर आपने इस गन का नाम बदल के बबली कर दिया तो बुलेट्स की बजाय इसमें से प्रीति जिंटा नहीं निकलने वाली।
अजय देवगन ने अपने नाम से ए हटा दिया तो देवगन हो गया, तो वो फिर भी अजय देवगन ही है। उसके बाद काजोल घर पे आके हाय मेरा मर्द किधर गया नहीं पूछने लगी।
This is the equivalent of using the name Adibas to sell fake fucking shitty shoes that look like Adidas but aren't Adidas. I can almost imagine a marketing person going,
so we want to do something that's the opposite of net neutrality, but we want to con people into believing that we're giving them net neutrality, correct? So what is another word for digital, and what is the other word for neutrality? Equality, digital equality.
By God sir, आप genius हो।
फिर हम उसे एक ऐसा एंगल देंगे जिससे लोगों को लगेगा कि वो लोगों की मदद कर रहे हैं, they're connecting people from different parts of the country, we're bringing people together.
Oh my God sir, damn good idea sir.
फिर इसके खिलाफ कोई आवाज उठाएगा, then we can say you are anti-poor, shame on you are elitist, तुम privileged हो।
Oh my God sir, tell me more.
फिर हम जनता के फेसबुक के नोटिफिकेशन के अंदर घुस के बोलेंगे कि देखो तुम्हारे दोस्तों ने ये सब साइन किया है, वो सब देशभक्त है, तुम देशभक्त हो।
So, what are the arguments that Facebook is making? For starters, it argues that Free Basics doesn't violate net neutrality because anyone can join Free Basics and it isn't just for a few select partners. But Facebook also has the right to reject participants for Free Basics. So,
नाम पसंद नहीं आया,
रिजेक्ट।
शक्ल पसंद नहीं आई,
मोर रिजेक्ट।
हमारी पार्टनर कंपनी का कंपेटिटर है and makes a much better product than our partner. You're fired.
Second of all, these technical requirements don't allow for VoIP, high-res photos, videos, or any services that interfere with telco services. So hang on. Free Basics says it's doing this to connect the poor and people in rural areas. But TRAI's own recommendations say that people in rural areas should have more access to video than text because video even cuts across literacy barriers.
Logically, if free connectivity of people is your digital equality goal, then shouldn't you be allowing VoIP services on it?
Let's be honest, you don't want digital equality. You want digital equality that doesn't mess with telco's interests. Now, Facebook also says that it isn't doing this to increase their revenue because there are no ads within the Free Basics Facebook experience. And that if an increase in revenue was their goal, they would have launched this platform in areas where online advertising is already thriving.
पहली बात, markets where online advertising is thriving are mostly already saturated, but India is untapped.
And B, yes, there are no ads on Free Basics right now. Facebook's never categorically said that there'll be no ads on Free Basics in the future.
Anybody who spent any time at all on the internet or on TV or reading a newspaper knows that a lot of shit starts off ad-free but becomes full of ads later on.
यार हमारे वीडियो में एड्स आने लग गए यार, तुम्हें क्या लगता है फेसबुक के वीडियो में एड्स नहीं आएंगे?
Again, we have no problem with ads on your platform. Put 4 million ads on your platform and then use that money to give everyone access to the entire internet with a data limit instead of giving them access to 25 websites with no limit. That's digital equality.
Facebook ये भी कहता है कि फ्री बेसिक से कलेक्ट किया गया आपका डेटा उन्हें कंपेटिटिव एडवांटेज नहीं देगा क्योंकि वो कभी उस डेटा को यूज नहीं करेंगे। Obviously, जिस कंपनी का पूरा बिजनेस आपके डेटा कलेक्ट करने पे बेस्ड है, वो आपका कलेक्ट किया गया डेटा कभी यूज नहीं करेगा। Obviously.
मुझे आप पे पूरा भरोसा है।
Facebook says that over the last few days, over 3.2 million people have petitioned TRAI asking for digital equality. No shit. When it's the top notification on Facebook in vague wording that makes it sound like Free Basics is basically the solution to India's poverty problem.
And your user base is 125 million people. That'll obviously happen. वो यूएस में अपने यूजर्स को भी एक्सीडेंटली इंडिया में फ्री बेसिक्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए कह रहे हैं। यार फिर हमें भी डिसाइड करने दो कि यूएसए में प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रंप को होना चाहिए हिलरी क्लिंटन।
And let's not forget that free basics is also for people who are already paying for data. मतलब वो लोग जिनके पास ऑलरेडी कुछ एप्स है, आप उनको उनके पोटेंशियल कंपेटिटर्स के एप्स फ्री में दे रहे हैं।
घंटा नेट न्यूट्रलिटी।
But on the bright side, while the government figures stuff out, TRAI has asked Reliance to suspend the Free Basics platform until then. So there is hope.
So now it's email time again. Click on the link in the description or go to savetheinternet.in and send your email to try. The deadline is 30th December.
देखो हमें पता है तुम छुट्टियां मना रहे हो, पर 3 बियर बॉटल्स के बीच में इतना तो कर ही सकते हो ना।
Unlike some people we know, we like to be clear and direct in our communication. So we advise you to read any email that you send regarding net neutrality via this link. Read it please before you send it.
And you don't have to blindly send an email. You can go to Facebook side of the argument, check them out. You can check out other arguments on savetheinternet.in. Just make an informed decision.
Do it. Clear your doubts.
We're not going to rely on you accidentally sending an email of something that you don't understand just because a notification told you to. That's Facebook's job.
And that's it for today's episode of On Air with AIB. अगले हफ्ते अगला एपिसोड